Those who have completed, raise your emoji. No, you have already showed me, right? No, no has not showed. Okay. So we'll start with Nu. Baiga, you showed me, so please lower your hand.
Raise hand. Participant. Name.
No, you can't wear that.
Okay. So,
Ma'am,
No.
I can ask you one
Nu,
thing.
show me your activity. Please mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Nu. Next page. Good.
Mama.
Ivan. Okay. Ivan, show me good, Nu. Ivan. Okay. Where is the positive degree and all? Can you show?
Yeah, it's in. Yeah, it's here.
Okay. Good, Ivan. Akshaj.
There's something here.
Okay. Good. Akshaj.
Yes.
Okay. Good, Akshaj. What about others now? What about others?
I am doing, ma'am. I will show.
Okay, Adit is doing. What about Agnel Baijo, Agnel Sunil? Nejad. Nejad, where is your activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your activity?
Ma'am, I forgot.
And can you show it once again? Your video was off, my video recording. Can you show it once again from first page? Very good, Ishan.
Ma'am, that is that
Good. Good, Ishan.
What is written that that's wheel?
He gave examples in the phrase. He drew a wheel and he wrote examples in that. Good, Ishan. Ishan?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah.
I checked in WhatsApp. I didn't get.
Sarah, you can ask any of your friends what was your activity, okay? From
Okay,
last
ma'am.
2 periods, all your friends are showing the activities on screen. Yes or no? From that, at least you should have understood if you are attentive in the class.
I will send you, Sarah.
Okay, anybody ready with the seminars?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ready.
Start, Zia.
Okay, ma'am. The degree of comparison.
Comparison.
The degree of comparison. Ma'am, you didn't pin her. That can be used when comparing.
Zia, you did not share. Zia, you have to share. Okay, you're using different screen.
Connection problem.
Wait, Zia, wait. Okay, Zia, start now.
Okay, ma'am. The degree of comparison. The degree of comparison takes to the three forms of adjectives that can be used when comparing items: positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. What's a positive degree? The positive degree is the basic uncompared form of an adjective or adverb opposite to either the comparative or superlative. What's a comparative degree? A comparative adjective is a word that describes a noun by comparing it to another noun. Superlative degree. The superlative degree express the extreme of highest degree of equality. Exercise of degree of comparison. Ma'am, can I ask?
Yes, you can ask.
Elephant is than and I shall tell.
Elephant is bigger than ant.
Correct.
Next can Isaiah.
Agnivesh can tell. Yes.
Ishan can tell, please.
Who is that?
Ishan.
Okay.
The coffee.
Hot. Yes, correct. Yes, correct. Next, the girl was very dash, and he had a, we can tell.
Happy.
Right. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Good, Zia. Zia, you are really good, but you are also little, like you say, you don't want to do it on time, right, Zia? Otherwise, you are very good.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Sorry, ma'am.
Not sorry. Actually, you have good language. You have everything. Like all your your parents are good. They are ready to help you, but you are a little lazy to study. Please keep this good work, Zia. You are a good girl. So if you will be regular, you will be able to get good grades also. Okay, Zia?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Anybody else is ready? I'm calling out the names who is pending. Bhumi. Please.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready with the seminar, Bhumi?
Ma'am, I have already done the seminar.
Okay, you have done the seminar. Okay. Today I did not have my data sheet. Amna.
Okay.
Amna. Anamika. Darren. Amna, please speak up. Amna. Amna Fatima.
Ma'am, when she speaks, sometimes her voice is not audible.
But she has to speak for the activity, right, Ashwati?
Yeah.
How will I give her marks out of 10? Amna, please unmute yourself and reply. Amna, please get a good device for your assignment. Borrow somebody's device. You must be having some uncles or aunties or some chechis in your house, right? You can borrow with them. I can't hear or anything. Malvika, Pius, Savio, Rishi. I'm same names, right? Same name coming up. Again. Malvika is there? Okay. Let's revise now. Degrees of, conjunctions. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, Adit is ready.
Adit is ready.
Yeah.
Very good, Adit. I like that spirit. Show.
Ma'am,
Good, Adit.
ma'am, one more is there.
Okay. Good, Adit. Adit kept his promise also. Good.
What, ma'am?
You kept your promise that you told me that you'll show me in the next class and you did that. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, one more important. I have already informed you that you have to be ready with the seminar of literature also. Remember?
And which was that seminar?
With English literature, you have to be ready.
Not that, ma'am. How should we have done the seminar of English?
Like this way, you have to do it with English literature also seminar.
The seminar.
Not
Okay.
like that, ma'am. This grammar seminar we had to do about degree of comparison. So like English seminar with what we have to do.
English seminar, whatever topic was taught to you in the second term. There are chapters which is taught to you. Like for example, Herculean task is taught to you all, right?
Yeah.
So you can copy Herculean task. You can take some paragraph, one page or some paragraph. You explain that paragraph in a story way, little bit what you're taking, and you give 3 to 4 like question, ask simple questions from that paragraph.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are taking two subjects.
Yes, 2
English
subjects.
literature and English grammar.
Yes.
Can I take the chapter? We can take which chapter we like.
Yeah, whichever chapter you like, you can take. Okay.
Ma'am, I am already ready.
Very good, Aishwarya. Okay. Let's begin now.
I'm here, sir.
Okay. Conjunctions. Conjunction is a word that joins 2 nouns, phrases, or sentences. They are also called the linking words. They are also called the linking words. Example, and, but, or, because. Rohan is a smart boy and Mohan is also a smart boy. So join the 2 sentences. Rohan and Mohan are smart boys. Riya is poor, Riya is honest. It has joined a sentence by using but. Riya is poor but honest. There are 2 types of conjunctions which we have studied: coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions.
Good job.
For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. So we use fanboys. Okay. Fanboys, coordinating conjunctions always come between the words or phrases that they join. Subordinating conjunctions join 2 sentences: because, when, since, until, although, if. How? Even though, whom, that, where, what, which, whether, as, who, whose, as soon as, wherever, unless. These are the few subordinating conjunctions which we have learned. Examples: I read newspapers because it provides information. Someone dropped me here when I was young. This car has been in my house since childhood. He struggled hard in his bad days until he succeeded. Although she was tired, she couldn't sleep. It would be great if you could come for the party. Let me show how to knit. Riya didn't trust me, even though I was trying to help. Rohan refused a job, though he wanted to work there. He's my brother, whom you met at the bus stop. She was so angry that I couldn't sleep. Okay, she couldn't sleep. I will show you where could you buy an umbrella? Keshav wasn't sure what his boss was trying to tell. She told me which dress to wear for the party. I'm not sure whether he will come or not. We didn't meet her as she left early. The person who you met yesterday was my teacher. This is Mary, whose mother is a doctor. We went to our seat as soon as the professor arrived. The dog followed the boy wherever he went. Unless you complete your work, you can't go out. Okay? So these are some of the subordinating conjunctions. Today or tomorrow, I will share the notes. You all have to complete your subord notes. Okay? You all have to complete your notes, everything. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Let me take down your attendance quickly. Adit, Agnel Baiju,
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Adit is present.
Ma'am, Agnel Baiju is present.
Amna, where are you now? Okay, Amna is telling okay. Agnes Sunil is not there. Agnivesh is there. Nejad is there. Aishwarya. Amit.
Present,
Amna. Anamika.
Ma'am, Amna Fatima is present.
Ashwati. Bhumi,
Ma'am,
Christina.
present.
Devakrishna, Evelyn, Ivan, Harigovind, Ishan, Ivana, Malvika,
is present.
Malvika,
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Nihara,
Present, ma'am.
Nu, Akshad, Dhara,
Ma'am.
Rachel,
Present, ma'am.
Rajan, Rupika.
Rajan is present.
Yes, Rupika, Sarah,
Present, ma'am.
Vaiga. Yeah, I'm calling out the names which I did not find. Please check.
Vaiga is present.
Please check these names. Agnel, Sunil, Alga, Anamika, Darren, Preet, Rishi, Sachin, Savio. Okay? So next class, be ready. Next class onwards, we'll start with a new chapter.
And Savio is present, I think so.
Savio is present.
Yes, he told present.
Okay. He's there, Savio is there. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Take care.